What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another video, and this one is brought to you by Drip Talk. Yeah, you heard it, Drip Talk. It's a new iteration of ring added to his collection, you know what I mean? So without further ado, comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can. Now let's get to the video. Wait a minute, I almost forgot it, because I think I forgot it once before. Let's shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard. With another one. You heard. Now, what I got here for y'all today, like I said in the intro, is another iteration by Drip Talk. This right here is a new iteration to his collection. It is a 925 sterling silver star ring. You heard. You know what I mean? So let's get right to it and see what it's hitting for. Bow. There you go. Now, we all know plastic be the ops, but I'm sure he did this so the ring wouldn't get tarnished, ringing and moving around the box, you know what I mean? So I appreciate your consideration, Drip Talk, but as you know, we all know, as much as I appreciate it, you know what I mean? Plastic be the ops, but I know why he did it, and I appreciate him for that, you know what I mean? And as you can see, before I move on from the box, look at this box, man. This thing is quality, man. Hard shell casing, velvet or suede or whatever you want to consider it. With that proposal light, like I said him with his earrings. Oh man, he doesn't stop with his presentation. Dope presentation. You know what I mean? But like I said, we got the star ring. You know what I mean? And this is said to be 925 sterling silver. So you know what I mean? Let's validate that and verify that. Not too hard to get it out this plastic, but as y'all already know, I ain't gotta keep repeating it. Plastic beater, you know what I mean? Let's put that down 2 seconds, and let's look at this thing. Oh man, this thing is a beauty. This thing is nice right here. Now some of y'all might say, oh man, that ain't nothing different than I ain't seen before. But what I will say is, this is 925 sterling silver, as I keep repeating. And guess what? I know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, how much is that thing? That thing looking crazy. I will let y'all know that this ring right here is a good whopping 70 bucks. Yeah, you heard it. I said it right. 70 bucks. You know what I mean? This thing right here is crazy. Now, I didn't know my official ring size, so I got this one in a size 8. And I believe it fits on my pinky ring finger, or, you know what I mean, the one next to the index finger, or the one next to the pinky. You know what I mean? On one of my phalanges, something like that. But one thing I gotta look for is that stamp. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, y'all. There goes that stamp. That 925 stamp to validate and verify that this is real silver. You know what I mean? With CZ stones, this thing is hitting crazy. Now, like I said, real silver, 70 bucks. You cannot beat that. You know what I mean? If y'all like this ring, go check them out on driptalkjewelry.com. And if it's your first entrance, or, you know what I mean, if you could get away with it, if it's past your first entrance into the site, you can use the coupon code DRIPSOLDIER15. Will be in a link at the bottom of the description. But let's go back to this proposal light. You know what I mean? For you ladies that need ideas on what to get your man, if he's into jewelry and rings, hit up Drip Talk Jewelry. You know what I mean? You can go to your man. You know what I mean? Not many women do this, but some do. Open up the box. And you know what I mean? You get down on both knees, and you ain't gonna ask him to marry you, or maybe you will. That's on you. But most of these type of gifts from women be like, will you tolerate me? Yeah, you heard me. Will you tolerate me for another year or another lifetime? You know what I mean? And for me, I be like, baby, get off your knees. You ain't gotta do all that. This ring is dope enough. Let's get up and get some Chick-fil-A. You heard. Haha. Yeah, let's go get something to eat. But this ring will definitely make me want to do something good for my girl if she got me this. You know what I mean? 70 bucks with that nice presentation. I'll be hype all day. You know what I mean? I can't say she'll get anything or everything out of me, but she'll definitely get something, you know what I mean? So for you ladies, you know what I mean? We know Valentine's Day is about the ladies for the most part, but sometimes there's some ladies out there that appreciate their man, that love their man, and want to get them something nice. I suggest y'all hit up Drip Talk Jewelry. And for you fellas, you could also hit up Drip Talk Jewelry to get something for your lady, because not only is his stuff for men, his stuff is for women also, depending on what size you need it in, you know what I mean? Most likely you might need a 16 or 18 inch something. He got tennis chains, you know what I mean, for your lady. Treat her nice as she presents you with a nice ring. You heard! $70. Hit up the site, Drip Soldier 15 for 15% off. You know what I mean? This would be dope as a gift for a guy or a girl if she's into these type of things, you know what I mean? Not much to say about this thing, and it's kind of heavy too. Got some good weight to it. Got that stamp on there. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this thing, man. Not much to say after that. You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3.